This is going to be kind of hard to do because, well, one hand on the camera, but this is the new hydraulic box for the dozer that I'm building. This is the winch control. Still got to put a handle on top. And then this does the 6-way blade. We're converting it from a manual 6-way blade to all hydraulic. So that'll do your twist back and forth. This will do your twist like that, and then that's your up and down. And then you can see down in there all the linkage I had to build. So that's your twist. That's your up and down. And that's your side to side. And they all can work at the same time or independently. Sorry about the weird angle. Got a really good deal on the valve. Tim Jackson Salvage up in Washington. They'd just taken a loader apart to scrap it, and $100. It's like a $1,600 valve. It's a Greason/Parker valve. Yeah, should work great for what we want to do. Had to do some funky stuff with the fittings to get the hoses where I wanted them. Got a big order coming in from Surplus Center on should be tomorrow. I should have it. It's got all the fittings and the valves. It was, I mean, such a good deal. I got like all new hoses and all new fittings to do the whole dozer for $350, and it's all good name brand stuff. So I can't complain. But yeah, this should be great. I still have to notch it right here because I want the armrest to sit down in it, so that the armrest is just a little bit above the corner of the box. Then we're gonna put a hole in it right here for the big hydraulic, the return filter, so that gets mounted to the back. And then I think I'm gonna make like a cover box that goes around it. But yeah, turned out pretty good. Got a little more grinding I gotta do. I left this long so that I could bend this up so it was all part of the box. But then now it's got to be cleaned off, and this has to be cleaned off so that it's like the rest of it, so it's flush. Yeah, it's a nice box. I'll load this, and then probably, I don't know, later on today I might go do a video on the actual dozer. We did a ton of work on it. Frame was cracked. The reverser, one of the ears on the reverser was cracked for the mount. It had been abused beyond recognition when I got it, and you know, I want to bring old piece of equipment back to life so that it's good again. And so that's what we did. Still going to finish a bunch of stuff on it, roll cage and some other stuff, but yeah, getting there. More to come.